know the potential of this individual, what it's likely, the likelihood of this individual getting released from there, or what the deportation.
Yes, Your Honor. Actually, what I was planning on suggesting to the court is enter a plea of not guilty for today, and then we'll try to arrange with ICE and then figure it out where he's being detained for the purpose of the next hearing.
You don't even know where he's being detained, huh?
No, his family is trying to figure it out, and today I'll make my research and then try to arrange with ICE.
That's unfortunate.
Yes.
I mean, we're in a system in the United States of America where I guess they're just taking you to places where they don't even tell you where they're taking you.
Exactly.
I don't know what, but well, that's the state of the union now. All right, let's start opening up and let's get going.
Hello. Hello. Yeah.
Morning. Well, there's got a few more people coming.
Hello. Hello.
Hello?
Yes. Okay, I got you. A little hard to hear you. I'm sorry. Yeah, hearing.
Okay, it's on you.
All rise. Good morning.
Good
The
morning.
Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While Zoom is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head coverings unless they represent religious purpose. If you have a head covering on right now, please remove it if it does not represent religious purpose. No eating, drinking, sleeping, smoking, white t-shirts or hoodies. Please take heed to the instructions. Court is in session. Morning, Judge.
Buenos días a todos y bienvenidos a la sala del honorable juez Sean B. Perkins. Mientras estemos en sesión, no se permite ni que estén comiendo, ni tomando, ni fumando. Tampoco se permite que estén manejando un vehículo. Pedimos que estén vestidos adecuadamente para la corte, como que estuvieran aquí en persona. No tengan la cabeza tapada ni con gorra, cachucha, sombrero. No se permite que la cabeza esté tapada a menos que sea por razones religiosas. Aparte de esto, le pedimos que por favor no estén durmiendo durante la sesión. Gracias y bienvenidos.
Gracias.
Hey, what I'm going to do, good morning to all. What I'm going to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible. And I'm going to try to get you out in the order that you came in.
Muy buenos días a todos ustedes. Yo voy a tratar de llamar a los casos en la manera más rápida y eficiente posible. También los voy a llamar en el orden que han comparecido esta mañana.
And Judge, can you make me co-host when you get a chance?
Well,
Thank you. I just want to mute a few people and I'm ready.
Ms. Villarreal, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, sir. Evelyn Villarreal, Certified Court Interpreter, C3822.
Can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you'll truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court and not divulge confidential communication? So help you God.
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
And do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Very well. Ms. Hernandez, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
And I did mean to send that to you. I just forgot to take the name off of there. Can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. My name is Emma Hernandez, qualified as CAO Spanish interpreter number 15575.
And can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you'll truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court, not divulge confidential communications, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
And do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
I do, Your Honor.
Very well. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Moses Garcia Lamelli. Case number SP 186-8006, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant.
That's Ms. Glogowski's case. I'm sorry.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Rachel Glogowski, P74194, on behalf of Mr. Garcia Lomelli.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I had him just a minute ago and I can't find him on the docket now.
835, first name, and there is a count 3 to that. It's count 1 to that as well.
Okay. Se llama ahora el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Moisés García Lomelli. Números de caso SP 186-80063 y cargo 2. Digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, comenzando con la abogada. La abogada es la señora Glogowski, número de abogada P74194. Señor, su nombre.
State your name for the record, Mr. Garcia Lomelli.
Señor García Lomelli, por favor, díganos su nombre para que conste en el acta.
Buenos días, mi nombre es Moisés García Lomelí.
Good morning, my name is Moisés García Lomelli.
Morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. There is a count 1 to that case, an unregistered, untitled Mrs. Glogowski.
Yes, Your Honor.
Buenos días a usted. Este es el día y la hora que habíamos fijado para tener la consulta previa al juicio. Sí hay un cargo adicional, es el cargo número 1 que no leímos en el acta y ese cargo se refiere a que usted no tenía registración o título de vehículo.
I do have evidence that it was in fact registered. He just did not present it at the time.
Sí,
Very well.
de hecho, yo tengo comprobante de que él tenía registración, es que en ese momento él no lo presentó.
And what about the other 2 counts?
¿Y qué nos dice usted acerca de los otros 2 cargos?
He has since obtained his driver's license. He's a resident of California. He's just here visiting. And he is also, the car is insured under his brother's name.
Sí, él también tiene licencia de conducir que está vigente. Él es un residente de California, está aquí tan solo visitando y también tengo entendido que tiene seguro de vehículo, lo tiene en nombre de su hermano.
All right, we'll dismiss the cases for providing valid documentation. If there's something further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you both.
Muy bien, así que vamos a desestimar estos casos debido a que usted pudo proveernos documentos válidos. Si no tienen algo que agregar, le deseamos muy buen día y buena suerte en todo.
Thank you very much, Your Honor, and thank you again, Madam Interpreter, as always. Thank you. Have a nice
You're
day.
welcome, Your Honor.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Ms. Glogowski.
City of Detroit versus Eloy Reyes Mercado, case number SP 186-4427, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ramon ATP number 72980 on behalf of Mr. Eloy Reyes Mercado.
All right, good morning to you. And for the record, you, off the record indicated to the court that your client is being detained by ICE. Is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
And for those reasons, we'll waive your client's presence, and we will set a pretrial on April the 8th, 2026 at 8:30 a.m. All right?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. My best of luck to you
Thank you. Have a good day.
as well. This is the city of Detroit, Mr. Berry, versus, I don't know if I have a paper for him. Khalil Gibran Lawson, case number SP 1782688, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1839609, counts 1 and counts 2. U69799-524. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lawson.
He's probably muted. Press *6 to unmute yourself, please, sir.
Yes, Khalil O'Brien Lawson.
Ron Lawson. All right. Good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for an arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Yeah. All right. We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. No. You did pull it, but I don't have the summary and the thing. It's on the back of there. Mr. Berry, let's also call case number SP 1839863, counts 1 and counts 2. That is no insurance proof and a defective brake light. Oh, and he owes some other civil infractions. Let me see how old those are. It goes back. I wouldn't have any issue with setting these civil infractions aside as well. SP 18, strike that, SP 178268883, improper display of plate. SP 1782691, expired plate. SP 1789206, counts 1, a failure to stop at a stop sign. SP 1789262, a no insurance proof, has a $45 reinstatement fee. SP 1789263, no insurance proof, has a $45 reinstatement fee. So he owes 1, 2, 3 no insurance proofs with $45 reinstatement fee. I'll set the 2 aside. All 3 of them, I'll allow him to pay the reinstatement fee up front. If he has the money today, he can pay the reinstatement fee. He is in person, and he owes some other tickets that have already been adjudicated. Mr. Lawson, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
He's in the room, Mr. Berry. Pass the matter. Good morning. Yeah, I'm looking for. City of Detroit versus Ricardo Perez Sanchez, case number SP1866741. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, where is he at?
Second page, right 830, the third name down. One is only one line.
Perez Sanchez.
Yes, Ricardo Perez Sanchez. It's at 830, right under Romero, and then above Smith.
Página 3, Emma, page 3, a las 8:30.
Yeah, 3, I'm sorry, Miss.
Okay.
I'm sorry, I'm leading you on a wild goose chase.
Thank you, Your Honor. Okay. Okay, I got it. Thank you, Your Honor. Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Ricardo Pérez Sánchez. Número de caso SP 186-67411.
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Sherika Harris, representando al acusado. Por favor, diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta.
Ricardo Pérez Sánchez.
Ricardo Pérez Sánchez.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Para los propósitos de la lectura de cargo, mi cliente va a permanecer en silencio.
Well, Aaron, good morning to you, sir. We'll enter not guilty plea on your behalf, give you a $0 bond. Mr. Perez Sanchez, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Buenos días, señor. Voy a introducir una declaración de no culpabilidad en su nombre y voy a imponer una fianza de $0. Lo voy a enviar a una sala de consulta privada para que hable con su abogado, la señora Harris. Tenga presente que, que ella le va a ofrecer un acuerdo de resolución por parte de la fiscalía y que si no está de acuerdo con dicho acuerdo, con dicha oferta, tiene todo el derecho de ir a juicio. Por favor, vaya a la sala de privada de consulta número 3. Is he there? Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lawson. Mr. Lawson, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what do you want to do?
Your Honor, we'd seek a trial date. He'd like to pay the reinstatement fees and return with a license.
Okay. Come back on April the 17th at 9 a.m. April the 17th at 9 a.m. Do you have $135 a day? No.
April the 1st, April the 3rd.
April the 1st or April the 3rd? Okay. Well, you pay it as soon as you can. I'm not guaranteeing you that will get you a license, but it should get you clearances here. And you could be able to go to the Secretary of State right now. You're probably not going to get a license, but what they'll do is they'll give you a printout, and that can give you a printout of everything that's affecting your license. And those 3 tickets will definitely be on there. If more tickets are on there, you can come back and let us know. And then if you have to go to other jurisdictions, you can make arrangements there as well. All right. All right. April 17th, 2026, 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
Yes, sir.
And you can get some paperwork from Ms. Math.
I'll bring it to you, sir.
Good morning, Judge. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning. Good morning. This is the city of Detroit versus Jorge Alberto Zuniga Perez. Case number SP 178-62781. Appearance for the record, please.
Se llama ahora el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Jorge Alberto Zúñiga Pérez, número de caso SP 1786-2781. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, sir.
Soy Elwood S. Berry, representando al acusado. Usted, señor, díganos su nombre completo.
Mi nombre es Jorge Alberto Pérez Zúñiga.
My name is Jorge Alberto Pérez Zúñiga.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, my client will stand mute.
Para el propósito de lectura de cargos, su señoría, mi cliente va a guardar silencio.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Zuniga, Mr. Perez Zuniga, I'm going to give you a chance to speak to Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Muy bien, voy a procesar una declaración de no culpable y darle a su cliente una fianza de $0. Señor Pérez Zúñiga, le voy a dar a usted la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado defensor en una sala privada de consulta. Él le va a dejar saber cuál es la oferta de resolución. Tenga en mente que si no le gusta la oferta, tiene todo derecho de ir a juicio. Acepte en su pantalla donde dice join o unirse para pasar a la sala privada. Acepte la invitación en la pantalla donde dice join o unirse.
He's in there. And let's go back on the record with Mr. Ricardo Perez Sanchez. Is that you have valid insurance?
Volvamos para que conste en el acta con el señor Ricardo Pérez Sánchez. Entiendo que tiene seguro válido.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor. Sí, su señoría.
Case dismissed, sir. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Señor, su caso ha sido desestimado. Que tenga mucha suerte y le deseo muy buen día. Puede retirarse.
Muchas gracias, buen día.
Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Okay, very good. All right. And the Arabic interpreter, good morning to you.
A ver.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Can you state your name for the record, please?
Sure. Amal Judat.
Okay, ma'am, can you raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you'll truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court, not divulge confidential communications, so help you God?
I do.
And do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish and strike that, English to Arabic and Arabic to English?
I do.
Very well.
And Judge, court reporter would like the spelling of the interpreter's name.
Sure. Amal, it's A-M-A-L. And last name, J as in Jason, O-U-D-A-T-T.
Thank you.
Sure.
Okay. This is the city of Detroit versus Moyad Nazar Ghali. Case number SP 1866827, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please, Ms. Harris.
صباح الخير. هذه القضية المؤيد غالي. رقم القضية 2343. مجرد انه هذه القضية راح تكون اليوم صادر امام المحامي راح يتكلم.
Sherika Harris on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
قول اسمك. Is he here?
He has to press *6 to unmute himself.
أنت حاط على الميوت اسمك مؤيد سوي unmute.
Let him know out there to unmute himself, please.
مدى نسمعك اضغط على اللاقطة وسوي unmute. تسمعنا؟
نعم.
يس. قول اسمك الكامل.
مؤيد ناصر غالي.
مؤيد ناصر غالي.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Ms. Harris, Mr. Ghali, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
راح ندخل مع المحامية على غرفة الخاصة نحكي مع بعض، والمحامية راح تعطيك مثل اتفاق أو عرض. إذا أنت قبلت هذا العرض تقبله، إذا ما تقبله قل إنه أنا ما قبلته. تمام؟
اوكي تمام.
Thank you.
An attorney
In there.
requested.
No, he's in there. Pass the matter. All right, Ms. Medina, are you there?
Señora Medina, ¿está por ahí?
She's an attorney, Ms. Hernandez. She could speak English.
Oh, she's not there. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Perez. Mr. Perez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Así que volvamos ahora en el acta con el caso del señor Pérez. Señor Pérez, le di la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado en una sala privada. Dígame, abogado, ¿qué van a hacer?
Honor, my client has shown valid international license and we seek dismissal.
Su señoría, mi cliente me pudo mostrar a mí una licencia válida internacional. Queremos que desestimen el caso.
All right, case dismissed. Sir, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Muy bien, caso desestimado, señor. Que tenga usted muy buen día y buena suerte.
Igual, muchas gracias.
Same to you. Thank you very much.
This is the city, you're welcome. This is the city of Detroit versus Regalio Telio, case number SP 1869012, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Oh, that's very.
Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Rogelio Tello. Número de caso SP 186-90122 y SP 186-90121. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Elwood Esberry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Tello.
Rogelio Tello.
Woodbury Jr. representando al señor Tello. Señor Tello, por favor, diga su nombre. Rogelio Tello.
Rogelio Tello.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, my client would stand mute.
Your Honor, he was saying something that I couldn't understand. I don't know if he needs or not interpreter.
No, I don't need an interpreter.
Okay,
Okay,
he doesn't
very
need
good.
interpreter, Your Honor.
All right, good morning to you, sir. I'll enter a not guilty plea on your behalf, give you a $0 bond. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Sounds good.
Corporal Bennett. Corporal Bennett. Morning.
Sergeant Brownlee at your service.
Yeah, that's always. See, we always like to have her here.
Yeah.
All right, now you guys, what do you got? You're just stopping in?
Yeah. Six cars.
Very good. Very good. Oh, she's worked with me before.
Oh, I know.
Yeah.
And now she's supervisor, so.
Oh, Supervisor Brown.
Okay.
Sergeant. Oh, very good. Congratulations. I see the gold badge there. Now, do you get the white shirt as lieutenant, huh?
Yeah.
All right. That's what's up. Congratulations, Sergeant Brown.
Thank you.
All right. Keep up the good work.
All right, Myra.
Myra, I call her Jericho.
Don't do that again.
I don't know why I keep listening.
Congratulations.
Is that job you were interviewing for?
Yes. It's one more as well. It's a young lady by the name of Ware. She's the other, so.
She got it? So you didn't get it? Why not? You didn't ask questions? Corporal Bennett?
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning.
Good morning. I don't know. We don't have any hearings or formal hearings or trials or anything.
Oh, yes, Your Honor. Jay Oliver. That's what it's showing on my slip.
That's what
Oh, you know what, Your Honor? I'm sorry. It has your courtroom and room 336. Yes,
that's
sir.
what whatchamacallit said. All right, Corporal Bennett, be safe.
Thank you, sir. Have a good day.
Corporal Baker was just in here about him.
Okay, thank you.
All right, have a good one.
Okay, here's Mr. Lawson's notice to appear.
Can you highlight those insurance for him? Well, I just told him to pay.
Oh, okay, I give him some printouts.
Yeah.
Well, because of the BP's on.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hope they're gonna mess with them for those junk tickets or not.
My ass was nice yesterday.
You liked it?
Yeah, I thought that was interesting, especially to know that it's 800 serial numbers.
It's crazy, huh? That's bad.
It's like, what?
You better watch it. You better watch it.
Hey, then they popping up in others and getting like, you know.
Yeah, they're moving out of state. And
That's crazy.
it is crazy.
She highlighted house. Yeah, it was always been like that. My mother always told me that. Even when she was in the they didn't even care.
Mr. Garcia has a hood on. Mr. Garcia, please remove your hood.
Señor García, ¿tiene la cabeza tapada?
Perdón.
I'm sorry.
People like her always get like a bad rap. You know what I'm saying?
All right, good. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Teo. Mr. Teo, giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. You owe some money to the court, 240 and 240, but that's not before me. What does your client want to do, Mr. Berry?
Your Honor, my client will need to go before his alphabet judge.
Okay. What is this for today, Miss? Is this one for today? No.
Yes.
3/17/2026.
Oh, hold on.
I don't think so.
Hold on, because I updated it from the chambers yesterday. Let me check that.
All right, your alphabet judge is going to be
What do you have?
Ramsey Heath.
Let me print it. I'll print it.
And
Just lay it right there, Jim.
there we go. I'm sorry about that.
Here you go, Officer Wilson. This is from Lawson.
And your pretrial date will be April the 8th, 2026 at 8:35 a.m. Her Zoom ID, you probably already have it, is 360-437-0000. If it's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you. You do the same, Your Honor.
Thank you. City of Detroit versus Maria Teresa Salgado Rios. Case number SP 187-14601. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood
Este
S.
caso de
Berry.
la ciudad-
Yeah,
Este es
she
el
needs
caso
an
de la
interpreter.
Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra la señora María Teresa Salgado Ríos, número de caso SP 187-14601. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Rios.
Edward Berry Jr. representando a la acusada. Señora Ríos, diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta. Señora Ríos. Diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta. I don't see her.
You have to unmute herself and start her camera.
Señora, tiene que abrir su micrófono y su cámara. María Ríos.
Was here earlier. She's in the room.
Sí. Señora Ríos.
Buenos días, a María Teresa Salgado Ríos.
Good morning, María Teresa Salgado Ríos.
Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Su señoría, nosotros vamos a permanecer en silencio y cedemos la lectura formal de los cargos.
All right, I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'm going to give your client a $0 bond. And at this time, I'm going to dismiss her case. She provided valid documentation.
Señora, yo voy a introducir una declaración de no culpabilidad y voy a establecer una fianza de $0 y voy a desestimar su caso por haber presentado la documentación requerida.
No le escuché, ¿me puedes decir más recio? No la escuché.
Miss, ma'am, your case is dismissed. You have a valid driver's license.
Señor, señora, su caso ha sido desestimado porque usted presentó los documentos válidos.
Okay.
Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Señora, que tenga excelente día. La mejor de las suertes para usted.
Gracias.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
A la orden, señora.
Gracias.
Thank you.
All right. Give me 1 second. This is the city of Detroit versus Izagaria Ervet Lionel Yano. Case number SP 186-8436, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Se llama ahora el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Izaguirre Llano. Número de casos CP 1868-43-6, cargos 1 y 2. Que todos tengan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, sir.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. representando al acusado. Usted, señor, díganos su nombre completo. Señor Llano.
Buenos días, mi nombre es Ever Leonel Llano Izaguirre.
Good morning. My name is Everleon Llano Izaguirre.
Good morning to you, sir. For purposes of arraignment.
Buenos días, señor. Para el propósito de lectura de cargos, abogado.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client would stand mute.
Su señoría, para el propósito de lectura de cargos, mi cliente va a guardar silencio.
will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, will give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Yano, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Barry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Muy bien, voy a procesar una declaración de no culpable y darle a su cliente una fianza de $0. Señor Jan, lo vamos a pasar ahora a una sala privada de consulta para que usted pueda hablar con su abogado, el señor Berry, y él le va a dejar saber cuál es la oferta de resolución que le proponen a usted. Tenga en mente que si usted no le gusta esa oferta, usted tiene todo derecho de ir a juicio. Acepte la invitación cuando la vean por su pantalla que dice join o unirse.
Let me send them the prompt.
Me sale.
Le van a mandar una invitación, la va a ver por la pantalla, que dice join o unirse.
Let's pass the matter.
Mrs. Rios is still there? Okay, she log off. Your Honor, do you want me to go to breakout room 2? I have an invitation in my...
No, it's good. No.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know whether you'll be in. Well, Miss Medina, good morning to you. What is your client's name?
Hi, good morning, Your Honor. My client's name is Mr. Carranza Ortiz. He is on standby to log on as necessary. Is he on? I'm not sure. But anyways, he's on standby to log on, Your Honor. It's going to be a plea of responsible to defective equipment if the court will allow me to do it, or I can have him log on.
Carranza Ortiz?
Yes, or Ortiz Carranza. Sometimes they confuse them.
I don't see it.
C-A-R-R.
Number one,
Yes.
Your Honor, I'm sorry to interrupt. Carranza hyphenated of this.
Does he willing to do community service?
Your Honor, it's gonna. Oh, I didn't know if it was he was a community court. He's just gonna do the CI. Would he do community service for that as well?
Yes. Anything. He's not my alphabet. I'm not his alphabet judge. And I would only imagine that he got this offer because of the community court. I don't know if that was taken under consideration or not. You worked it out with the city?
Yeah, so it's a defective equipment, but if I want to take, yes, I want him to take advantage of that. So he would, yeah, if he has to do community service, he will.
City of Detroit versus Miguel Carranza Ortiz, case number SP 1842901, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Crystal Marie Medina, Your Honor, on behalf of Mr. Carranza Ortiz. Your Honor, I have been in communication with my client and would ask to waive his appearance for today's purposes. Your Honor, I am prepared to plead responsible on his behalf to defective equipment.
All right, and you're retained counsel, correct?
Correct, Your Honor.
And I'll waive the presence, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate for the dismissal of the other matter.
So stipulated, Judge. Thank you.
Find him responsible as to as charged the improper equipment. I'll let him pay the $120 and pay it by April the 8th.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Well,
I appreciate it. You have a great day, and thanks again, Judge. See you.
You too. All right, we're just waiting on an attorney.
Estamos esperando que regrese cualquiera de los dos abogados de las salas de consulta privada.
I have some coming out as well. Run Chavez's license, please. Mr. Dennings, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Have valid registration and insurance, sir?
Yes.
Can you show it to the court now?
Can I just show it into the, like this?
Yeah. All right, City of Detroit versus Vincetti Dennings, case number SP 184-25491, SP 187-04771. State your name for the record, please.
Vincente Dennings.
Vincente Dennings, I'm sorry. Today is the date and time set for an arraignment. I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your behalf. I'm going to give you a $0 bond, and let's see what your documentation reads, please.
You want my proof of insurance?
Proof of insurance and the registration. Hold them one at a time. Let's see. That's what I have. A Mercury Grand Marquis. And I'm satisfied with the insurance. And let's see the registration, please. I am satisfied. I'm going to dismiss your cases for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, okay?
You too, sir. Thank you so much.
You're free to leave. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Yano. Mr. Yano, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Volvamos en el acta con el caso del señor Llano. Señor Llano, le di la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado en la sala privada de consulta. Abogado, dígame qué van a hacer.
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the offer of the people to enter a plea to blocking traffic for the failure to signal a turn, the insurance matter to be dismissed.
Su señoría, mi cliente quiere aprovecharse de la oferta que le ha propuesto la fiscalía, es decir, que él presentar una declaración al cargo de que estaba bloqueando tráfico y el cargo de que no tenía seguro de vehículo queda desestimado.
Okay.
His number is in the chat.
Okay. Y el número de teléfono de él ya se lo hemos mandado a usted por el chat.
Okay.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Yano?
Señor Llano, ¿usted quiere aceptar esta oferta de resolución?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, I'm going to find you, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea, counselor, in your client's behalf.
Y abogado, ¿puede usted estipular que yo puedo depender de lo que dice la factura, la boleta, para formar un base para la declaración?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Así lo estipuló su señoría.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Y puede usted estipular, abogado, que hay causa razonable para desestimar el otro asunto.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
Sí, su señoría sí lo estipuló. De acuerdo.
All right, with those stipulations, I'm going to find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic in lieu of fines and costs. It'll be 6 hours of community service with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center.
Muy bien, así que acepto la declaración de responsable de su cliente al cargo modificado de que estaba bloqueando tráfico. En vez de que él tenga que pagar costos y multas, le voy a pedir que haga 6 horas de servicio comunitario con el Centro de Justicia de la Comunidad del Suroeste de Detroit.
Okay.
You have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center, sir?
Señor, ¿ya tiene usted el número de teléfono para el Centro de Justicia de la Comunidad de Detroit? Yes.
Sí.
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna have you give Mr. Phillips a call this afternoon, set the hours up. I'll give you until April the 22nd to complete the hours. If the hours are complete, we'll close the matter out. If you don't have anything further, have a very good day, rest of your day, and best of luck to you.
Muy bien, señor. Entonces llame ese número de teléfono esta tarde. Pida hablar con el señor Phillips para que hagan los arreglos para las horas que usted va a trabajar. Yo le voy a dar a usted hasta el 22 de abril para que pueda cumplir esas horas de servicio comunitario. Si para el 22 de abril ya usted las ha hecho, el caso queda cerrado. Si no tiene algo adicional, le deseamos a usted muy buen día y buena suerte.
Gracias.
Thank you.
The insurance and license, just run it for me, please. Just go. All right. If it's nothing further, sir, best of luck to you. If it's just like 2 counts, like just with a license on there, you might as well just run. All right. If you think about it. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Ruben Perez Garamo, case number SP 18679-241. Appearance for the record, please.
Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Rubén Pérez Gamero, número de caso SP 186-79241. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Rubén Pérez Gamero.
Rubén Pérez Gamero.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant.
Edward Berry Jr. representando al acusado.
Good morning to you, sir. Purposes of arraignment, counselor.
Buenos días, señor. Para propósitos de la lectura de cargos, ¿cómo desea proceder, abogado?
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
Nosotros vamos a ceder la lectura formal de los cargos y vamos a permanecer en silencio.
For enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yo voy a introducir una declaración de no culpabilidad en su nombre y voy a imponer una multa de $0. Lo voy a mandar a una sala de consulta privada con su abogado, quien va a obtener una oferta de resolución. Sepa y entienda que si no está de acuerdo con esa oferta de resolución, tiene todo el derecho de ir a juicio. Por favor, acepte la invitación de ir a la sala de consulta privada cuando la vea en su pantalla.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's pass the matter. Join the room. We'll pass the matter.
Señor, por favor, únase a la sala de consulta privada.
Donde dice join.
Y dice,
Yes.
señor.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Ghali. Mr. Ghali, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Yes. Hello?
Oh, Madam Interpreter?
Yeah, they say.
Yes, Your Honor. بس لحظة خليك ساكت. Yes, I'm here, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Ghali. Mr. Ghali, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
حكيت مع المحامية والمحامية تقول شو عملنا راح تحكي هي. خليك ساكت.
Your Honor, we're requesting a new date as he does not want to do community service.
قالت إنه بدك يوم جديد لأن أنت ما بدك تخدم المجتمع.
Is he gonna need it? Is he gonna need a? Go ahead.
أريد أدفع التيكت يعني تحت القانون ونحن مشكلة يعني.
I just want to pay for the ticket. قلت لك خليك ساكت.
Is he gonna need an appointed counsel, Ms. Harris?
يقصد إنه يحتاج لك إنه محامي.
نعم.
I believe he could benefit, but he seems inclined to want to enter a plea.
هو يحتاج محامي بس هو معترف بذنبه. خليك ساكت لا تحكي شيء.
Well, since we're setting another pretrial date, I'm gonna appoint him an attorney based on the nature of the charges.
لأنه راح ناخذ موعد آخر راح نحط لك محامي.
Mr. Ghali, I'm gonna appoint you an attorney. I need you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by your next court date of April 14th at 8:30, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot on that day.
المحامي راح يتصل بك على هذا الرقم اللي عندهم من 14 13 4. في حالة انه ما سمعت من عندهم اتصل وقول ليش ما خابروني. فهذا الموعد القادم عندك المحكمة القادمة هم راح يبعثوا لك.
ايه بس انا حاب اجي على المحكمة لان اذا ما قدرت اذا ما افتح التليفون اجي لهون مثل اليوم.
فهمنا ايه اوكي. So I'm going to be attended in person because I don't know how you use Zoom. Like today, someone helped me to log into Zoom.
Okay, that's good. We'll just answer the calls because I'm gonna have an attorney reach out to you and discuss this matter with you. So answer the calls you don't recognize so you can have hopefully that an appointed attorney gets to you before the next court date.
أقول لك إنه راح يجي لك مكالمة من الرقم. احتمال هذا الرقم أنت ما تعرفه منه بس حاول تجاوب لأنه هاي رقم التليفون هو المحامي راح يتحدث معك مشان هذه القضية. فأي رقم غريب ما عندك تجاوبه. احتمال يكون المحامي راح يتكلم معك قبل موعد القضية أو الموعد القادم. تمام؟
واحتاج انتربريتر بليز.
I need an interpreter also please.
Yeah, I have the file marked Arabic interpreter as well.
حاطين بالفايل تبعك انه اي كلمات عندك عربي مترجم عربي يكون معك. اوكي؟
اوكي. متى يوم كانت فيك تقولي لي الموعد مرة ثانية؟
شو؟
الموعد اي يوم؟
Is it possible to remind me of the court date again please?
April 14th. If you come on in, we'll get you some paperwork, okay?
14/4. إذا تدخل هسه راح يعطوا لك أوراق كمان يذكرك إذا تدخل هسه للمحكمة بس أنت وين. أوكي؟
أوكي.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm also your honor. Of course, yeah. You have a great day. مع السلامة.
مع السلامة.
This is the city of Detroit versus Elmore Camacho, case number SP 186-9454, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Se llama ahora el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Elmer Olivera Camacho, números de caso SP 1869-454, cargos 1 y 2. Que todos digan sus nombres para que conste en el acta.
Elmer Olivera Camacho.
Elmer Olivera Camacho.
Cherica Harris on behalf of the defendant.
Y Cherica Harris representando al acusado.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Para el propósito de lectura de cargos, mi cliente va a guardar silencio.
All right, good morning to you. We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Camacho, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Buenos días, usted, señor Camacho. Voy a procesar una declaración de no culpable para usted, darle una fianza de $0. Lo vamos a pasar ahora virtualmente a una sala privada de consulta para que usted tenga la oportunidad de hablar con la señora Harris, quien es su abogada. Ella le va a conseguir una oferta actualizada de resolución. Tenga en mente que si usted no le gusta la oferta, usted tiene todo derecho de ir a juicio. Acepte ahora la invitación por la pantalla donde dice Join.
Unirse, ok.
Unirse, perfecto.
You look right in these shells right here. Should be some Arabic interpretation.
Those shells over there. All right, let's pass the matter.
That's gotta be Arabic.
Let's call the city of Detroit versus Kwame Lee. Case number SP 17855-661. Mr. Lee, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
My name is Kwame Lee.
All right, Mr. Lee, you were, I guess you were supposed to bring me some documents. You were, where are you, Mr. Lee?
Right here. I have the form that's complete, but community service hours are complete.
All right, and, can we check with, Ms. Shelton for Kwame Lee? He was supposed to be here on 2 days ago. All right, let's pass the matter. Let me get confirmation. Did you get that stuff to Ms. Shelton?
I didn't.
Okay.
I've got the paper.
Can we get Ms. Shelton, Ms. Harris, and
Well, to defend his name, Judge.
Kwame Lee was supposed to be here on the 23rd.
All right, thank you.
Can we print it out?
No.
I will pass the matter.
All right.
Run that license, please.
We can just print it.
Yes. So. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Camacho. Mr. Camacho, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Volvamos ahora con el caso del señor Camacho. Señor Camacho, yo le di la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado en una sala privada de consulta. Dígame, abogado, ¿qué van a hacer?
Your Honor, he was able to present valid insurance and an international license.
Su señoría, él me pudo presentar a mí el seguro de vehículo que está vigente y una licencia internacional.
All right, Mr. Camacho, I'm going to dismiss your case, provided valid docs and international license.
You want me to run this one too, myself?
Así que, señor Camacho, sépase que yo voy a desestimar su caso debido a que usted le pudo mostrar documentos válidos.
We have license. All right, if it's nothing further, sir, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
Si no tiene algo que agregar, señor, le deseamos muy buen día y buena suerte.
Entonces, ¿ya está finalizado?
And so, that's it. It's final?
Yes.
Sí.
Ya estoy bien, no tengo ningún problema.
And I'm okay now? I don't have any problem?
No.
No.
Thank you.
Thank
God
you.
bless you.
God
Muchas
bless
gracias.
you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, let's call the City of Detroit versus Montel Frederick Lewis. Case number SP 158-45621, SP 163-20491. Appearance for the record, please.
Present, Your Honor.
Erica
Good morning.
Harris, on behalf of Mr. Lewis, please state your name for the record.
Montel Lewis.
Good morning, Chief.
Purposes of Sorry, for purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrants be recalled.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Lewis, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Yes, sir.
Your Honor, can I have the ordinance for the
Yes.
ORV case?
If it's on here. The ordinance, it seems like he paid a failure to stop at a stop sign, operating off-road vehicle in public street, disregarding stop sign, Tireman, Westwood School Zone. Ordinance 324.81122, paren 1.
Thank you.
All right,
And you
join
said
the
there was
room.
a fail to stop matter that was paid?
Looks like it. It looks like it. All right, join the room, Mr. Ortiz. Let us know what you want to do when you come on. Pass the matter. Mr. Lewis, I'm sorry, Mr. Lewis. Let's pass the matter. I'm going to call the City of Detroit versus Jordan Lavelle. Strike that. State of Michigan versus Jordan Lavelle. Case number SX4555598. Mr. Lavelle, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please. Is Jordan Lavelle here? Was. Is that him on the Samsung? Jordan Lavelle. Jordan Lavelle. Jordan Lavelle.
Hello, can you hear me, Your Honor?
Can hear you. State your name for the record, please, sir.
Jordan Lavelle.
All right, there's date and time set for a arraignment on the bench. I'm going to enter a not guilty plea. Thank you, Mr. Vera. On your behalf, give you a $0 bond. And at this time, I'm going to dismiss your case. You have a valid driver's license. If there's nothing further, Mr. Lavelle, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor. I appreciate you. You too
You're
as
welcome.
well.
Thank you. Well, let's
Thank
go
you.
back on the record with Mr. Perez Garamo. Mr. Garamo, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Vamos a
Your
volver
Honor,
para que conste en el acta con el caso del señor Rubén Pérez Gamero. Señor Pérez Gamero, le dio la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado. Señor abogado, que desea ser su representado.
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's offer to allow him to enter a plea to blocking traffic. His number is in the chat.
I don't think that's the right one, Mr. Berry.
Yeah, I've lost him on my docket.
Sí, sí, señoría. Mi cliente se quiere adherir a la oferta de bloquear el tráfico. No, señor Berry, yo pienso que ese no es su cliente. Ay, sí, su señoría, disculpe, me equivoqué aquí en
It's
la
a
lista de
Ruben Perez Garamo, open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver.
Yes, to be reduced to passenger, Your Honor.
Sí, él es el señor Rubén Pérez Gamero y su cargo original es tener contenedor de alcohol abierto en el lugar del conductor y la oferta será reducírselo a que lo llevaba en el lugar del pasajero. Sí, su señoría, eso es correcto y él desea tomar esa oferta ofrecida del cargo reducido de llevarlo en el pasajero.
That is the offer, Your Honor, to allow him to enter a plea as with regard as a passenger in the open alcohol situation. His number is in the chat.
Sí, su señoría, él quiere tomar el acuerdo de que llevaba un contenedor de alcohol abierto en el lugar del pasajero. Él desea adherirse a esa oferta y el número de teléfono para comunicarse con él está en el chat.
Do you want to take this deal, sir?
Sí.
Señor, yes.
There it
¿Quiere
is.
tomar este acuerdo? Yes.
You know you're going to get 2 points on your driver's license as well?
Y sabe, señor, que va a tener 2 puntos en su licencia de conducir.
Sí.
Yes.
All right, raise your right hand, please.
Está bien, señor, levante su mano derecha.
Do you understand the maximum possible? Strike that. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Usted entiende que la máxima penalidad no borre eso. Usted entiende, usted jura
Sí.
decir la verdad, solo la verdad y nada más que la verdad.
Sí.
Yes.
Or you can put your hand down.
Sí, señor, puede bajar su mano.
Do you understand that if you're not a United States citizen, a conviction for a misdemeanor offense can potentially implicate immigration issues?
Señor, ¿usted entiende que si usted no es ciudadano americano, un caso menor como este podría tener implicaciones migratorias?
Sí.
Yes.
Do you understand that the maximum possible penalty for this misdemeanor is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Y usted entiende que la máxima penalidad para este tipo de delito podría ser de hasta 93 días de cárcel y o hasta $500 de multa.
Sí.
Yes.
Miss, do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Y usted entiende que usted tiene absolutamente el derecho de ir a juicio si usted quisiera ir a juicio.
Sí.
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Y cuando estaba en la sala de consulta privada con su abogado, el señor Berry le informó de sus derechos. ¿Es así?
Sí, así es.
Yes, that's right.
And you understood those rights?
¿Y usted entendió esos derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
You can run her license. Do you have any questions about those rights?
¿Y tiene alguna pregunta acerca de esos derechos?
No.
No.
Do you know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
¿Y usted entiende que tomando este acuerdo que le han ofrecido, usted está renunciando a esos derechos?
Sí.
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what has been stated in the record today?
Y aparte de lo que ya hemos hablado, que ya consta en el acta, ¿alguien más le ha ofrecido a usted alguna otra cosa?
Sí,
¿Alguien más le ha ofrecido, alguien
sí.
más le ha ofrecido alguna otra cosa?
Sí, lo que hablé con el señor es.
Yes, what I talked to that gentleman also.
Yeah, you haven't gotten any other offer from anybody else, have you?
Exacto, señor. La pregunta es que aparte de lo que ya hemos hablado, usted no ha recibido ninguna otra oferta ni le han ofrecido más ninguna cosa aparte de lo que ya hemos hablado.
No, no, es todo lo que.
No. No.
All right, let me draw your attention back to February 17th, 2026, around 5:59 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Wagner and Braden. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Señor, déjeme llevar su atención al día, el lugar y la hora de los hechos, que fue el 17 de febrero del 2026 a las 5:59 de la tarde en el área de la calle Warner y Brayton en la ciudad de Detroit. Ese día, esa hora y en ese lugar lo paró a usted un oficial de policía. O bueno,
Sí. Estaba yo
yes.
parqueado, no me paró. O sea, estaba yo parqueado.
Yeah, he didn't stop me. I was parked and he approached me.
And did you have some alcohol? Were you in a motor vehicle?
Señor, ¿y usted se encontraba dentro de un vehículo?
Sí, estaba yo sentado ahí en mi vehículo.
Yes, I was seated there inside my vehicle.
That's true.
He did say he had some alcohol?
Yes. Yes, and I was seated there. Señor, ¿tenía alcohol en su vehículo?
Sí, la mitad de la corona, de la modelo.
Yes. Yes, I
Estaban los
have the
pasajeros,
half of the
al lado del
container of the Corona, no, modelo.
And that you had half, so it was open, is that correct?
Y estaba abierto, ¿correcto?
Sí, sí.
Yes.
And I'm gonna find him guilty based on that.
Bueno, basado en eso, yo lo voy a conseguir culpable.
On the amended count of open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger.
De él, el cargo enmendado reducido a que usted tenía el contenedor de alcohol abierto en el carro en el lugar del pasajero.
I'm going to order you to do 12 hours of community service with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center.
Le voy a ordenar que haga 12 horas de servicio comunitario con el Centro Comunitario de Justicia.
Is this a delayed sentence, Mr. Berry?
Oh, Your Honor.
Su señoría, esta es una sentencia dilatada, no, su señoría.
All right, and I'll give you until April the 22nd to complete the hours and give Mr. Phillips a call this afternoon. If you don't have anything further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Está bien, señor. Yo le voy a dar hasta el 22 de abril para que haga estas 12 horas. Por favor, no deje de llamar esta misma tarde al señor Phillips para que acuerde con él cómo, cuándo y dónde tiene que hacer las 12 horas de servicio comunitario.
Está bien.
He doesn't have to be.
Yes.
Well, I'm just gonna make sure I'm following. I'm not trying to be funny, Judge.
No, I'm not.
Okay.
I'm trying
I'm just making sure I do it right.
You can't
I'm
get it
doing
wrong.
good.
Yeah.
Okay. Like the kids.
All right. Have a very good rest of your day, sir. Best of luck to you.
Está bien, señor, que tenga excelente resto del día y la mejor de las suertes para usted. Se puede desconectar. Llame al señor Phillips esta misma tarde.
Y cuando yo termine las 12 horas que me está dando el señor juez, ¿qué hago?
After I'm done with the 12 hours that your honor have given me, what do I do?
Mr. Phillips will let you know. We'll close the matter out.
Está bien, el señor Phillips le va a informar sobre eso, pero una vez que usted concluya las horas, vamos a cerrar su caso. Pregúntele al señor Phillips.
Ok, gracias. Eso quería yo saber.
Okay, thank you. That's what I wanted to know. Thank you very much.
All right, have a great day.
Thank you.
Está bien, señor, que tenga excelente día. Se puede desconectar.
Gracias. Hasta luego.
Thank you. Thank
Hasta
you. Bye
luego.
bye.
All right, City of Detroit versus Diane Karina Romero, case number SP 186-8159, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr.
Okay, go ahead, Mr. Berry, go ahead.
Yes, Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Romero.
Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit con contra la señora Diana Karina Romero, número de caso SP-186-8159, cargos 1, 2 y 3. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta. Edward Berry Jr. representando a la señora Romero. Señora Romero, por favor, diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta.
Diana Karina Romero.
Diana Karina Romero.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Su señoría, para los propósitos de la lectura de cargos, nosotros vamos a ceder la lectura formal de los mismos y vamos a permanecer en silencio.
We'll enter, and good morning to you, ma'am. We'll enter a not guilty plea on your behalf, give you a $0 bond. Mr. Berry, Ms. Romero does have a valid driver's license.
Está bien, señora, buenos días a usted. Yo voy a introducir entonces una declaración de no culpabilidad en su nombre y voy a imponer una fianza de $0. La voy a mandar a una sala de consulta privada con su abogado, señor Berry. La señora tiene licencia válida.
I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, ma'am, with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Lo voy a mandar a una sala de consulta privada con su abogado, que le va a dar una oferta de resolución. Tenga en mente que si usted no está de acuerdo con la oferta de resolución, usted siempre tiene el derecho de ir a juicio si así lo quisiera. Por favor, acepte la invitación para ir a la sala de consulta privada. Your Honor, can I be able to take them out of the breakout room because sometimes they cannot, and it will be easier and faster for me to send them. Thank you.
You're welcome. Did you? All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Montel Lewis. So I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, I'm actually waiting on a response from the city attorney because it appears he paid two related civil infractions. There was a second count on each of the tickets. I'm just waiting for a response.
Very good. And Ms. Gillis, I see you missed your bus, right?
So she does have valid
Yes.
documentation. And if it's okay with the court, I'm gonna go back into room 3 because I did pull somebody else in and they joined.
All right.
Not trying to mess up the order because I don't necessarily know the order, but I was just pulling people in while the court was in a short recess.
I see. Thank you, Ms. Mathis, Ms. Harris. Okay, Ms. Gillis, you indicated to the court, Ms. Harris, she has valid documentation.
Yes, Your Honor, I did review it.
All right, you can go back in the room. Thank you. All right, City of Detroit, this is yesterday's docket versus Carmela Lenice Gillis, case number SP 185-2066, counts 1 and counts 2. Ms. Gillis, state your name for the record, please.
Carmela Lanice Gillis.
All right, well, yesterday was the date and time set for trial / formal hearing, but obviously you missed that, and but Ms. Harris has seen your documentation, and for that, we'll dismiss your case, okay?
Okay, thank you.
And the officer did show, but that would have been dismissed anyway. All right, if there's nothing further, ma'am, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you. Bye.
All right, let's, what is Mr. Berry, what is Ms. Romero gonna do?
She will avail herself of the offer of the people to enter a plea to blocking traffic for the disregarding a traffic device. The other matters to be dismissed.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Romero. Ms. Romero, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Volvamos para que conste en el acta con el señor Romero. Señora Romero, le di la oportunidad de hablar con su abogado. Señor abogado Berry, ¿qué desea ser su representada?
My client would avail herself of the people's offer to enter a plea to blocking traffic for the disregarding a traffic control device. The other two matters to be dismissed. Her number is in the chat, Your Honor.
Sí, su señoría. Mi cliente, los otros dos, va a declararse culpable del cargo enmendado, rebajado, a que bloqueó el tránsito. Y los otros dos cargos van a ser desestimados en el día de hoy. Y ese va a ser desestimado después que se cumplan las horas.
You want to take the deal, Ms. Romero?
Señora Romero, ¿quiere tomar este acuerdo que le han ofrecido?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, on behalf of your client, Mr. Berry, will you stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea?
So
Su
stipulated, Your Honor.
señoría, señor Berry, ¿usted está dispuesto a establecer las bases de fundamento para la emisión? La base de fundamento para ese ticket y sí, su señoría, estipulación hecha.
You stipulate to probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter?
Ese es, va a ser la estipulación para la causa probable para la desestimación de los otros dos cargos.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
Sí, su señoría, estipulado. La estipulación de las bases de fundamentos era para la declaración de responsabilidad. Y esta es para...
With those stipulations, I'll find you responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic. In lieu of fines and costs, I'll allow you to do 6 hours of community service with the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center.
Señora, entonces yo con esa estipulación de la causa probable le voy a quitar los otros dos tickets y con las bases de la estipulación de la base de fundamento le voy a aceptar su declaración de responsabilidad del cargo enmendado de bloquear el tráfico. Y para eso le voy a dar solamente 6 horas de servicio comunitario.
Ok, gracias.
Ok, thank you.
Do you have the number to the Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center, Ms. Romero?
Señora Romero, ¿ya tiene el número para llamar al Centro Comunitario de Justicia para establecer lo de sus horas?
Sí.
Yes.
All right, call Mr. Phillips this afternoon, set the hours up. I'll give you until April 22nd to complete the hours. If you don't have anything further, ma'am, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Está bien, señora Romero. Llame esta misma tarde el señor Phillips para establecer cómo, cuándo y dónde va a ser esas horas de servicio comunitario. Y yo le voy a dar hasta el día 22 de abril para que las haga.
Ok, está muy bien.
Ok, that's very good.
All right.
Está bien, señora. Se puede retirar.
Muchísimas gracias.
Thank you very much.
This is to see you. Very much welcome.
A la orden, señora.
Hasta luego. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Alejandro Roel, case number SP 1661890, counts 1, 2, and 3, and SP 1852104, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra Alejandra Roel. Número de caso SP 166-189, cargos 1, 2 y 3, y SP 185-2, cargos 2, 1, 2 y 3. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
Edward Berry Jr. representando a la acusada.
For purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Para los propósitos de la lectura de cargo, nosotros vamos a ceder la lectura formal de los mismos y vamos a permanecer en silencio.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond.
Yo voy a introducir entonces una declaración de no culpabilidad en su nombre y voy a establecer una fianza de $0.
And we have 3 other cases that Ms. Royal has entered into a payment plan. I'll allow her to be heard on those cases if she wants to get a global offer.
Otros casos también, que en el cual ella tiene un acuerdo de pago. Ajá.
No necesita interpretar.
Ok. Thank you. She doesn't need interpreter, Your Honor.
Very good. Good morning to you, ma'am. State your name for the record, please.
My name is Alejandra Roel.
All right. Those cases are, Mr. Berry, are expired plate, no valid registration, and a defective equipment ticket. Mr. Rao, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you do not like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Thank you.
Join the room, we'll pass the matter.
Yes.
Okay, let's go back on the record with Mr. Kwame Lee. Mr. Lee did get confirmation that you completed the community service. Let me see what actions were supposed to be taken. I think this is just going to be a closeout.
I have another follow-up with you in June 9th.
You follow up with me in June 9th?
Correct. For it to be removed.
For it to be dismissed, correct?
Correct.
Okay. All right. come back on June 9th. Ms. Harris, Ms. Mathis, we'll completed community service review June 9th, 2026 at 8:25. And as long as you do not get any other issue like this again, between that time, then we'll dismiss the case, okay?
I understand. Thank you, Your Honor.
And best of luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
You just make sure we take that 240 off of there and put the completed community service. All right, thank you. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Royale. Ms. Royale, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client will have to go to her alphabet judge. She'll need a trial.
Very well. Ms. Royale, I'm going to send you to your alphabet judge. That judge is going to be Judge Herman Griffin. The next date is going to be April the 8th, 2026 at 9 a.m. And his Zoom ID is 360-334-0000. Once trial. Do you want us to appoint you an attorney, ma'am?
Yes, please.
Needs appointed attorney. I will need your number. You can put it in the chat if you don't want to say it out loud on Zoom. I'll send you a message.
Thank you.
All right, I just want you to send that number. You're free to leave. I just ask you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by the next court date of April the 8th, then ask the judge on that date to appoint you one. But we hope that gets to you before your next court date, all right?
Thank you very much.
All right, if there's nothing further, ma'am, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day.
You have a great one as well. Thank you.
This is the city of Detroit, Mr. Berry versus Edie Augustin Chavez, case number SP 186-7191, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Chavez.
Este es el caso de Detroit contra el señor Eddie Agustín Chávez. Número de caso SP 186-7191, cargos 1 y 2. Sus comparecencias, por favor, para que consten en el acta. Mi nombre es Edward Berry Jr. y estoy representando al acusado. Señor Chávez, por favor, diga su nombre completo para que conste en el acta.
Ok. Mi nombre es Eddie Agustín Chávez.
Ok, my name is Eddie Agustín Chávez.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Su señoría, para los propósitos de la lectura de cargos, nosotros vamos a ceder la lectura formal de los mismos y vamos a permanecer en silencio.
Okay.
I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Chavez, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Señor, buenos días. Voy a introducir una declaración de no culpabilidad en su nombre y voy a establecer una fianza de $0. lo voy a mandar a una sala de consulta privada con su abogado, quien le va a hacer una oferta de resolución. Tenga entendido, tenga en mente que si no está de acuerdo con esa resolución, siempre tiene el derecho de ir a juicio. Por favor, únase a la sala de consulta privada cuando vea la
Ok,
invitación.
está bien.
Okay,
Gracias.
that's okay. Thank you.
All right. Let's pass the matter. Let's call the, this is not right. This is the, Ms. Harris, are you there?
Here.
This is the city of Detroit versus Teresa Gatewood, case number SP 1668861, counts 1 and counts 3, SP 1682288, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Ms. Gatewood, please state your name for the record.
Trisha Gatewood.
Trisha, I'm sorry.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrant to be recalled.
I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Gatewood, I should have reminded everyone that there's an amnesty program going on now until April the 2nd. You would benefit by taking advantage of that amnesty program. I think that, I'm going to set a date. It's going to be after April the 2nd. So if you want these tickets if you want to be covered by these, you need to probably get down here on the matters that we're not going to talk about today and take advantage of the amnesty program. All right. I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Gatewood, is my understanding you want a bench trial?
Correct.
All right. Trial date is going to be April the 17th, 2026 at 9 a.m. I will, however, allow you to pay the reinstatement fee up front. And on this no insurance proof. So if you come down and you get into the amnesty, if you get in and get into some sort of amnesty program, or if you get into a payment plan on these civil infractions, do not do it until after you pay that refee up front on the no insurance proof. If you pay the no insurance proof, I don't see anything here that's affecting your ability to get a valid driver's license. So if you pay that $45 up front, you come down here and pay it as soon as you can. I don't know that you don't have a valid driver's license, but I know that this no insurance proof you don't have a clearance here, and I don't know if your license is not valid or not, but at least that will get you clearances down here. I would go to the Secretary of State. I would ask them for a valid license. If they don't give you one, then you can ask for a printout, and they should give you a printout of everything that's affecting your license. You understand?
Correct.
All right. I know it's a lot. You understood all of that?
Yes, I do.
So I'm going to wish you the best of luck, ma'am. I put that in the system. If you come down and get that reinstatement fee paid, then I hope you can get a valid driver's license. If not, I'll see you back on April the 17th, 2026 at 9 a.m. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. You're welcome. Best of luck to you. This is the city of Detroit. Ms. Harris versus Kevin Joel Castro Escobar. Case number SP 1867956, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Escobar, please state your name.
Kevin Joel Castro Escobar.
Are you driving, sir?
No, I'm not.
All right. Good morning to you. Day is date and time set for an arraignment, Ms. Harris.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Escobar, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, just for note taking, I believe on Mr. Lewis's matter, the city is agreeable to the dismissal because he paid 2 related civil infractions.
Is that what they want? Is that what they say?
That's how
So-
I interpreted the response.
Well, it's an open, operating on a ORV. Join the room, Mr. Castro. We'll pass the matter.
Yes, Your
Okay.
Honor, I apologize. She did write it out for me. Dismiss the docket matters. That is correct.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lewis. Mr. Lewis, giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel indicates that the city is willing to dismiss because you paid related civil infractions. If it's nothing further, sir, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, counsel.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
I'll waive the warrant fees. Back, Ms. Fillaroo?
Yes, I am, Your Honor.
See if we. Mr. Jose Garcia. Oh, no, oh, he needs an interpreter, Ms.
Jose Garcia.
He indicated that he may not need one, but.
Oh, okay. Is that Jose Garcia, Your Honor?
Jose Garcia, what about Anderson Navarro?
Anderson Navarro, ¿usted necesita intérprete? Anderson Navarro, ¿necesita intérprete?
Sí, buenos días. Sí, claro que sí, por favor.
Yes, good day to you. And yes, please, I need an interpreter.
Buenos dias. Oswald Landon Ruiz, he needs an interpreter. Noel Gutierrez Ramirez, do you need an interpreter, Mr. Noel Ramirez?
Noel Ramírez, ¿necesita usted intérprete?
No. Juan Zapan, necesitas.
Sí, claro que sí, necesito intérprete.
Yes, of course I do. I need an interpreter.
Very well.
Muy bien.
And that will be, we only have a few more left.
Mhm.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Escobar. Mr. Escobar, is my understanding you do not want to do any community service?
No, Your Honor.
I'm going to send you to your alphabet judge. That is Judge Christina Kennedy in courtroom 435. Your next pretrial date is going to be April the 8th, 2026 at 8:30. And her Zoom ID is going to be 360-435-0000.
Okay. You said April the 4th?
April the 8th. I'm sorry if I said the 4th.
Okay. And at what time? Sorry.
8:30.
8:30. Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. For something further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
Thank you as well. God bless you.
You as well.
Thank you.
City of Detroit versus Keegan Lucy, case numbers SP 1567792, counts 2 and counts 3. He also has some civil infractions. I wouldn't have any objection to allowing him to be heard on them. If the city attorney has no objection to setting the defaults aside, that's SP 1810618, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please. Does
Yes,
not
I'm
need
here.
to be.
Cherika Harris on
I'm
behalf
sorry.
of the defendant. Please state your name. Keegan Luce.
Luce, I'm sorry. Good morning to you, sir. Day is date and time, and it's set for a arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, counselor.
Purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrants be recalled.
I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'll give him a $0 bond. I'll recall the warrant. It's one of the tickets I have. I do not. I almost shouldn't be setting it aside. Is a littering allegation, and I guess at this point is really not an allegation because it's a default judgment. Other is no insurance proof. And the other is, it says failure to redeem. I'm going to see exactly what that is. He did get, he isn't payment plan with those tickets, Miss Harris. That is failure to redeem abandoned vehicle. All right, so I guess I-75 in Holbrook. Mr. Luce, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I guess that may be where the abandoned vehicle, maybe where the littering charge comes from. I don't know. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out.
I'm a bit confused. So are we saying those 3 that you just mentioned are already in a payment plan and I do not need to ask her about those?
Well, you can ask her about them. They are in a payment plan. He does owe a reinstatement fee on the no insurance proof. However, there is no allegation of driving without a valid license. So I can just only imagine that if his license is not suspended already, then it will be soon.
Okay, thank you.
I will pass the matter. So All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Chavez. Mr. Chavez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor,
Está bien,
my,
vamos a volver para que conste en el acta con el caso de CIS. Le di la oportunidad de hablar en una sala de consulta privada con su abogado que desea ser su representado.
Your Honor, my client has shown valid international license and the prosecutions agreed to dismiss the no insurance matter.
Su señoría, mi cliente ha mostrado licencia internacional válida y la fiscalía ha aceptado también desestimar el caso de seguro.
Okay, I'm going to dismiss the case, Mr. Chavez, for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Está bien, señor Chávez. Yo voy a desestimar su caso con todos los cargos por haber presentado la documentación debida. Si no tiene más nada que agregar, eso es todo por hoy. Se puede retirar. Que tenga
Ok,
un excelente día. Ok.
gracias igualmente, que tengan un buen día.
Thank you. Thank you. Same for you. Have a good day.
Thank you very much. City of Detroit, Mr. Barry versus Lacan, Juan Francis Zapan, case number SP 186811932. Appearance for the record, please.
Este caso es para usted, señor Berry. Se llama el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Juan Franco Zapón Lacan, número de caso SP 1868-1932. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Juan Francisco Jr.
Lacan.
On behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
Juan Zapón Lacan, Elwood S. Berry, representando al acusado, su señoría.
Sí.
Yes.
Good morning to you, sir. Enter a not guilty plea on your behalf, give you a $0 bond, put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Buenos días, usted, señor. Voy a procesar una declaración de no culpable para usted y le voy a dar una fianza de $0. Lo vamos a pasar ahora virtualmente a una sala privada de consulta para que pueda hablar con su abogado, el señor Berry, quien va a tratar de conseguirle usted una oferta de resolución actualizada. Tenga en mente que si usted no le gusta la oferta, usted siempre tiene derecho de llevar el caso a juicio. Acepte ahora la pantalla cuando vea join o unirse para poder pasar virtualmente. Join o unirse en la pantalla.
Okay.
Toque ahí.
Judge, where is he on the docket for today?
He's on the last page above on 830 above Zuniga Fuentes.
Oh, okay, think I see it. Thank you.
Your Honor.
Yes.
Mr. Navarro needs interpreter.
I think so.
Mr. Garcia.
Mr. Garcia, he said, yeah, we may as well.
Okay, Mr. Noel doesn't need. What happened to Mr. Landín Ruiz Osvaldo?
Oh, he's here as well. He's on the telephone. I kind of went out of order on that because Mr. Zapan had only that misdemeanor. I think that's going to get dismissed.
Okay, no, I just wanted to know because I have it there and I cannot see him.
Well, let me see.
Mr. Landín Ruiz.
Oh, he must have fallen off.
Okay, that's what I wanted to know. Thank you. Okay, señor José García y señor Navarro, I'm the interpreter and or Mrs. Villarreal, and we are here for you. Thank you. Okay, that's for me to know. Thank you.
Thank you. Are you at work, Mr. Garcia?
Yeah, I'm really busy. I don't know if you can help me
All
with that.
busy. We're all busy, sir. Everybody's busy.
Sorry.
That's all right. I say that and they're back around. Let's go back on the record, Mr. Luce. Mr. Luce, I've given you an opportunity. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
There was a recommendation to dismiss these matters, and he's to maintain the payment plan and continue on paying that.
Very well. I'm gonna, you want to take the deal, sir? I can't imagine you don't. All right,
Yes,
I'm
sir.
gonna dismiss the cases. If there's nothing further, sir, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
You as well. God bless.
God bless you as well. Jose Garcia. Juan Jose Garcia Soto.
Yes, sir.
José García Soto.
City of Detroit versus Juan Jose Garcia Soto, case number SP 186-44251. Appearance for the record, please.
Este es el caso de la ciudad de Detroit contra el señor Juan José García Soto, número de caso SP 186-44251. Por sus comparecencias, por favor, para que conste en el acta.
Juan José García Soto.
Juan José García Soto.
Sherica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Garcia Soto, for purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Sherica Harris, representando al señor García Soto, y para los propósitos de la lectura de cargos, mi cliente va a permanecer en silencio.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Soto, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Señor, señor García Soto, voy a introducir una declaración de no culpabilidad en su nombre y voy a imponer una fianza de $0. Lo voy a mandar a una sala de consulta privada con su abogada, que le va a dar una oferta de resolución. Sepa y entienda que si no está de acuerdo con esa oferta, tiene todo el derecho de ir a juicio. Por favor, únase a la sala de consulta privada.
Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Por favor, únase a la sala de consulta privada y una vez que salga, nos deja saber cómo quiere proseguir.
No. This one. Please. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Zapan. Mr. Zapan, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Volvemos en el acta con el caso del señor Zapón Lacan. Le di la oportunidad a usted, señor, de hablar con su abogado en una sala privada de consulta. Dígame, abogado, ¿qué van a hacer?
Your Honor, my client has shown valid insurance. We seek dismissal.
Su señoría, mi cliente me pudo mostrar a mí que tiene seguranza de vehículo vigente. Nosotros le pedimos a la corte que le quiten los cargos.
All right, case dismissed, Mr. Sapon. If it's nothing further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Señor Sapón, su caso queda desestimado. Si no tiene algo que agregar, le deseamos a usted muy buen día y buena suerte.
Gracias. Gracias.
Thank you.
I have a great day.
Que tenga usted un día muy bueno.
Gracias, igualmente.
Thank you, same to you.
Thank you. This is the city of Detroit versus Anderson, Navarro, Ariajo, case number SP1871635, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Se llama ahora el caso del señor Anderson, Navarro, Arrojo, números de caso SP 1871-6342, 2 y 1. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. representando al acusado.
State your name, sir.
Díganos su nombre, señor.
Navarro. Buen día.
Navarro Arrojo. A good day to you.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for an arraignment. For the purposes of arraignment, counselor.
Buenos días, usted, señor. Este es el día y la hora que habíamos fijado para tener su lectura de cargos. ¿Qué nos dice, abogado?
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
Nosotros renunciamos que nos tengan que leer los cargos formalmente. Vamos a guardar silencio, su señoría.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Berry, your client has a valid driver's license.
Así que vamos a procesar una declaración de no culpable para su cliente, darle una fianza de $0. Señor Berry, su cliente tiene una licencia de conducir que está válida.
I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Lo que pasa es que lo vamos a pasar ahora a una sala privada de consulta para que usted pueda hablar con el señor Berry. Él le va a tratar de conseguir una oferta de resolución actualizada. Tenga en mente que si usted no le gusta la oferta, tiene todo derecho de ir a juicio. Acepte ahora la invitación donde dice join o unirse.
Let's pass the matter. So,
I don't think he's gone into the breakout room yet, Your Honor. Señor, acepte la invitación para pasar a la sala. Thank you.
all right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Jose Garcia. Mr. Garcia, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, your client does not want to do community service, correct?
That is correct, Your Honor.
Está bien. Vamos a llamar otra vez al al caso del señor García, entiendo que el señor García no quiere hacer las horas de servicio comunitario. ¿Es esto correcto, señora Harris? Sí, su señoría.
All right, I'm gonna put you all day for April the 14th, 2026 at 8:30.
Está bien, señor. Su próxima fecha para comparecer va a ser el 14 de abril del 2026 a las 8:30 de la mañana.
Okay.
If it's nothing further, sir, have a very good rest of your day.
Excuse
Best of
me,
luck.
I have a question.
Señor, tengo una pregunta.
¿Va a
What
ser,
is your
va a
question?
ser en Zoom o va a ser, tengo que ir a la corte?
I have a question. Is it going to be by Zoom or I have to go in person?
No, it's by Zoom, sir.
No, señor, es por Zoom.
It's like Burger King. You have it your way.
Es como Burger King. Usted lo paga como quiera.
That's the best I can come up. All right. If there's nothing further, Ms. Garcia Soto, best of luck to you. April the 14th, we'll see you back.
All right, thank you, man. I
Señor,
appreciate it.
no tiene más nada que agregar. Lo vemos el 14 de abril. Que tenga excelente día.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
This is the city of Detroit versus Renell Juan LeBlanc. Case number SP 1846692, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Raynell LeBlanc.
Sheriff Harris, on behalf of the defendant, for purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Good morning to you, Mr. LeBlanc. Day is date and time set for a arraignment. I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'll give your client a $0 bond. Is my understanding you want this allowing?
That's
Mr.
correct,
LeBlanc,
Your Honor.
is that correct? You want to take the deal, sir?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Raise your right, please. Other right. Do you swear or affirm tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
And you understood those rights?
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
Do you know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right, let me draw your attention back to January 4th, 2026, at around 8:58 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Greenfield and Puritan. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Did the officer ask you to produce valid driver's license?
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No.
Why is that?
I don't have them.
Very well. I'm going to find your client guilty as to the amended count of allowing, order you to do 12 hours of community service. I will dismiss the case upon completion, but stipulation of probable cause will dismiss the other matters. Ms. Harris? All right. Do you?
Okay, thank you. I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Can I get that stipulation of probable cause?
So stipulated.
All right. Do you want to do an extra 6 hours of community service to clear this no insurance proof up as well? That it says you owe two.
I have the proof of insurance.
No, not that, not on this case. You had an old no proof of insurance. It says you owe $240. I can let you do an additional 6 hours of community service to clear that up.
Okay. I don't have to do that on the same day.
You're gonna have to do it. I'm gonna give you 30 days to do it.
Okay.
So it's gonna be a total of 18 hours of community service. And then you won't owe the court anything, all right?
Okay.
You have Mr. Phillips' number at Southwest Detroit Community Justice Center, Mr. LeBlanc?
Yeah.
I'll give Mr. Phillips a call, set the hours up. That's 18 hours of community service. We'll clear up everything. And I'll give you until April the 22nd to complete the hours. If you have the hours complete, then we'll dismiss the misdemeanor, close the civil infraction out. And if you don't have any further questions, give him a call this afternoon. If you don't have any further questions, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, sir.
All right, thank you. You too.
All right, you're welcome. This is the city of Detroit, Ms. Harris, versus Sakia Shanae Lindsay Harvey. Case numbers SP 1766445, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1821724, counts 1, 2, and 3, and U52083119. Appearance for the record, please.
Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
I think she fell off. She does have a drug allegation. Allegation was subject was smoking weed, vehicle parked in front of vacant address. That's what the narcotics violation is, Ms. Harris. We'll pass the matter. She just fell off. We'll pass the matter. Ryan Lee, is Ryan Lee here? Gutierrez Ramirez, good morning to you. Are you there?
Yeah,
Good morning to you, sir.
morning. Good morning. Hello?
This is the city of Detroit versus Noel Gutierrez Ramirez, case number SP 187-13921. Appearance for the record, please.
Yeah,
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Noel Gutierrez Ramirez.
Purpose of arraignment, my client stands mute.
And I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Harris is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. This is basically plead as charged, 12 hours of community service, absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to get you, speak to you about the case and let us know what you want to do when you come out. We'll pass the matter.
Your Honor, Mr. Navarro was having a great deal of trouble returning to the main session.
Okay, let's see if we can pull him out. Mr. Berry, what is he going to do? Let's go back on the record with Mr. Navarro. Mr. Navarro, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Volvamos en el acta con el caso del señor Navarro. Señor Navarro, yo le di la oportunidad de reunirse con su abogado en una sala privada de consulta. Dígame, abogado, ¿qué van a hacer?
The court having confirmed that he has a valid license, the prosecution will dismiss the no insurance matter.
Ya que la corte ha podido confirmar que él tiene una licencia de conducir válida, van a desestimar el cargo de no tener seguro de vehículo.
All right, case is dismissed, sir. I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Caso desestimado, señor, que tenga usted muy buen día y buena suerte.
Gracias, muy amable. Buen día. Feliz día igualmente.
Thank you. You've been very kind. Thank you. And you have a pleasant day as well.
You do the same. Thank you.
Y usted también. Gracias.
Okay.
So we only had the last one that needs the Spanish as Landa Ruiz. I'll try to give them a call.
Well,
and
Your
Miss-
Honor, if I could ask Mr. Berry, could I have an assist? Because I have like 3 people in room 3.
Yeah, I thought that we were gonna knock those out. All right,
Sure.
so
No
we
problem.
have, who are you ready on? Noel Ruiz, Ramirez, Mr. Berry, you can speak with, him in room, and that's just a loudspeaker. I'll switch him to 2. You join 2, Mr. Berry.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Villarreal, if you can, see if you can hear this and interpret.
Yes. Yes, Your Honor.
I'm sorry, you can't leave a message because the person you called.
Okay, no answer.
Mm-hmm.
That was the one where the individual was speaking, and I had to ask them, were they Oswald? She said no.
Right.
Mm-hmm. I don't know what's this, okay, Mr. Garcia Soto, I've given you a new date.
Yeah,
You didn't I give you a new date?
yeah. You give it to me April 14, I think.
Yeah, so I don't know did you want to do something else or what?
No, I don't know. I just start hear my phone again, so I see. I give back. I think you have to tell me something. I don't know.
No, I told you April 14th. Come on back.
All right, sir.
All right, be safe.
All right, thank you.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Noel Gutierrez Ramirez. You want to go to your alphabet judge, sir?
I just want to, yeah, I want to pay the ticket.
Say that again.
I want to pay the ticket. I don't want to get community service on that time. Community service, so I just want to pay it.
Very well.
Yeah.
I'm going to send you to your alphabet judge. That's Judge Herman Griffin on April the 8th, 2026 at 9 a.m.
And it's online, right?
Zoom ID is 360-334-0000.
How many zeros?
4 zeros.
So it's 360-334 and 4 zeros.
Yes.
Okay.
And if you don't have anything further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day. April.
Thank you. You too.
I don't, Mrs. Lot. I could have switched you to Lindsay Harvey, Mr. Barry. But seems like Miss Harris is doing that as well. All right, we'll just have 2 more, I think, and then we'll be it.
Yeah.
All right, let's see.
Yeah, he was a renegade. Yeah.
Yeah, I see that.
Yeah.
All right, Ms. Harris, who are we ready on?
We are ready on Ms. Lot.
Do you want Mr. Berry to speak with Ms. Lindsay Harvey?
I spoke with her. She's deciding what she wants to do.
Very well. City of Detroit versus, wait a minute. Throw that one out. I thought it was City of Detroit versus Kiana Lott. Case number SP 120-25191, SP 127-8127, counts 1. SP 135-69791, SP 135-69793, SP 140-7131, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1411561, SP 143-66022, SP 1445839, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1447985, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1447961, SP 1457060, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1475282, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1633074, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1706341, counts 1 and counts 2. State of Michigan versus Kiana Lott. Case numbers SX414-26901, SX416-26661, SX4232290, counts 1, 2, and 3. SX429-37502, SX4324711, counts 1 and counts 2. SX4531096. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Ms. Lott. Please state your name for the record.
Ayana Lott.
All right. Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date set for an arraignment on the, we'll also, hold on, let me see those machines. I think it's all on this one.
Purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. Respectfully request that the warrants be recalled.
It is, I ran about license.
Okay, you did. Okay.
All right, I'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. This is a lot.
No, that's why I'm taking care of it right now. Yeah, taking care of all my warrant. Everything I have going on to get my license back. Well, I never had them to get them.
Yeah, you've been driving a long time with no license, huh? At least that's what the police say.
We have worked out resolution of the matter. She will be pleading to 4 counts of allowing, 6 counts of improper plates, with the remaining matters dismissed, and I've placed her contact information in the chat. Just to repeat that offer, it is 4 counts of allowing and 6 counts of improper plates.
So you're gonna admit you've been driving a long time without a license, huh? Ms. Lott? I didn't hear you.
Yeah, I couldn't hear you. My phone had went out. The speaker did.
I said, first the police say you've been driving a long time without a license, but you're gonna admit that as well, aren't you?
Yes.
You wanna take the deal, ma'am?
Yes.
And she wants to do community service, Ms. Harris?
Yes, Your Honor, I've put her contact information in the chat.
All right. Raise your right hand, ma'am. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these offenses are 93 days in jail? The misdemeanor offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
And you understood those rights?
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No.
Do you know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Now, Ms. Lott, are you trying to do community service to clear everything up?
Yes.
You know, that's a lot of hours, right?
Yes. She told me.
I guess you've come to the point in your life where you say enough is enough, huh?
Yes.
All right.
I have a question. I have another court date with you tomorrow. Is this for the ones for tomorrow or tomorrow I have to get back on too?
No, we're going to take care of everything today.
So I don't come to the one for tomorrow?
No.
Okay.
All right. And for judicial economy, Ms. Harris, do you want to just stipulate to the faces of the tickets as accurate factual basis for those guilty pleas?
So stipulated, Your Honor, and I also stipulate to probable cause for the dismissals.
Very well. With those stipulations, ma'am, basically what that's saying is that you're not going to contest the fact that on any of these given situations, you've been pulled over and you didn't have a valid license or you didn't have valid insurance or registration. You're not going to dispute that, are you?
No. Wait, what do you mean? Can you repeat that?
So basically, the police said they pulled you over on all these instances. You're not going to dispute the fact that you were pulled over and at that time didn't have a valid driver's license, insurance, or registration on any of these given times. Are you going to dispute any of those?
No.
Okay. And I do that so we don't have to go through each and every time that you got pulled over. You understand that?
Yes.
All right. So with that, I'm gonna find her guilty of 4 counts of allowing and 6 counts of improper plate. And it for a total, including the civil infractions. I'm gonna cut you a little bit of a break. It says 258 of 200 hours.
Okay.
We'll clear up everything, okay?
Okay.
I'll do for you as well is I will allow you to come in after you've completed the first the first 18 hours. I'll allow you to come in and I will close out the tickets that are affecting your license, ability to get a license in this jurisdiction. I don't know what are you have any tickets in any other jurisdictions?
Yes, but that's why I have court for. I got court at 11:30 for them now that I'm clearing up.
All right. Oh, you need to go to court right now then.
I've got her on the other phone now.
You got courts all over the state, huh? You've been, at least she not the type that, she drives on this side of 8 miles, she driving, just running amok. She go on the other side of 8 Mile, she got 10, 2 on the wheel and everything. You just drive crazy everywhere, don't you? All right, 200 hours, community service. You have Mr. Phillips's number. I have your number in the chat. When you get off the line today, set up the hours. When can you get the first 18 done? Can you get it done in a week?
Yes.
Come back next week, and then we'll give you time for the rest, all right?
Okay.
Come back next week on Wednesday, April the 1st.
Okay.
All right, and that's not an April Fool's joke.
Okay.
You need to be,
Okay.
all right, Miss Lott, I wish you the best of luck, ma'am. You have a very good rest of your day, and good luck in the other court hearing. All right.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. Tell that other judge I said hi.
Okay.
All right. All right. Let's call the city of Detroit. Let's go back on the record with Miss Lindsay Harvey. Miss Lindsay Harvey, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
She was presented with the options. I advised of her rights. She was taking time to contemplate, to decide if she wanted to do community service or if she was inclined to take another date to come back to ask to pay fines and costs.
Miss Lindsay Harvey, what was the offer, Ms. Harris?
Ms. Lindsay Harvey's offer is she could plead to 2 counts of, I'm sorry, 1 count of allowing and 1 count of improper plate, with the remaining matters dismissed.
And she has a valid driver's license. Ms. Lindsay Harvey, I'll cut you a little bit of a break and just say 12 hours of community service instead of the 24. You want to take the deal, ma'am? Unmute yourself, please.
I said yes. I had a question.
What's your question?
By me going to church, is that can I do community service there, or I have to go to one of your places y'all would like for me to go?
Go with that with Miss Shelton. If that church is on the list, then I potentially can. But you need to go to the one. No, actually, this is Mr. Phillips. We have Mr. Phillips here, Southwest Detroit. Now, I will allow you to go to one in your area if you're not in Southwest Detroit. So you would just get a call from Miss Shelton, and she would place you at a respective place. But no, you just can't go to your church and do the community service. It's a question. Unless Miss Shelton assigned you to that church.
Okay.
What do you want to do?
I guess I'll let her assign me to a church. That's,
So you do want to deal? Raise your right hand, please. The other right. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Or you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense? It's 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines.
Yes.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
All right, you have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Are you okay, ma'am?
Yes.
All right.
I'm tired. I just worked the whole, I'm getting a couple hours before I have to, get the kids get out of school. I'm tired. Work's been
Well, that's
kicking my
why I
butt.
asked. But all right. Let me draw your attention, Miss Lindsay Harvey, back to November the 5th, 2025, around 3:15 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Russell and Minnesota. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Russell. I don't remember. Where Russell Street at?
Russell, you don't know where Russell Street is? It goes up, it goes down, like across I-75, It goes from, shoot, you know,
If
close to
I'm not
down to,
mistaken, I believe so. I believe I remember. I believe so.
you have to know, ma'am. They say you are operating a 2013 Blue Dodge.
Yeah, that's how I was saying. If it was, which I think I remember that, officer. If I'm not
And
mistaken, that's the same.
were you operating that motor vehicle on that day?
Yes.
And was that your Dodge, the 2013 Dodge?
Yes.
And did the officer ask you to produce valid driver's license and insurance?
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No, I gave him my license, but I didn't. My insurance and stuff was I couldn't provide that. What I provided, but it wasn't up to date.
I see you have a valid driver's license. I don't know why he wrote you for a invalid license. Excuse me. Oh, you just got your license. Go ahead and take your drink, ma'am. I'll wait on you.
I'm sorry.
It indicates by our driving record that your license, you say it was valid, but it appears that your license was not valid.
So that was my thing that I was trying to ask the people when I was calling. I don't even remember when my license got took it from me, or it was a hold on my license, because I haven't got that many tickets or drove in that car to receive a lot of tickets to get my ticket. I mean, license took away. Like, I had just really got my license. Me and my deceased brother had went before he died, so I'm not understanding.
Sorry to hear about your brother's passing, ma'am.
Thank you.
It appears that your license was not valid from May the 14th, from a ticket that you got here, a no insurance proof, civil infraction, unfortunately, no insurance proof. And it was suspended from May the 14th, 2025 till March the 11th, 2026. So it just got reinstated last week to this day. You didn't do anything to get your license reinstated, did you?
No, all I know, it was a program going on, and I called 36th District. That I called, or I looked my name up, and it said that I had a couple tickets, and I was trying to figure out, and I couldn't really understand the lady for real, what she was trying to explain to me, because the glass was kind of thick, and I didn't want her to keep on getting aggravated because there was people behind me. So when she printed out my little paper and stuff, and she told me these the tickets that you got to pay or whatever, I just just gave her the money. I'm thinking that everything was gonna be cleared or whatever. So I really too much don't know but yeah.
No, but you never went back to the Secretary of State. Is that correct? So basically, your license and I'm just trying to know
I
this for the
didn't.
court.
When I just came up to the 36th district to pay the tickets, but I didn't go to the Secretary of State.
She did pay a no insurance proof that's not on this. That's from that in no insurance proof, but so it basically administratively automatically validated her license after she made that payment. So all right. So basically on November the 5th, you didn't have a license, right? You may have had a license.
Card. I'm guessing so. Now that you put it like that and explain it to me, I'm guessing I didn't have my license. So no, I didn't.
I'll find you guilty as to the amended count of allowing, and the amended count for not having a valid license, and the amended count of improper play. Both of those tickets are non-abstractable offenses, meaning they're not going to abstract to the Secretary of State. Therefore, they don't carry any points. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to dismiss both of those tickets when you complete the community service of 12 hours. Okay. And we're going to close out the expired plate as well. I'm gonna close that out. You don't owe that other $85. So you won't owe the court anything once you do the 12 hours of community service.
Yeah.
All right, you want to, stipulate the probable cause, we'll dismiss the other matters. Ms. Harris.
Oh, stipulated, Your Honor.
Do you want to do it with Mr. Phillips? He can attempt to get you something in your area.
Sure.
Or,
Yes.
or if he can't, you'll be in Southwest Detroit. You got a car. You have a car, don't you?
No, I'm in the process of getting a car.
Can you get her something in her area, Mr. Phillips?
Yes, I can. I'll try.
All right. Work with Mr. Phillips. I'm sure he can get you something in your area. If you have any issue, we'll deal with it. Okay.
Okay.
12 hours of community service. I'll give you 30 days to complete it, ma'am. 4/22/2026 is your next court date. Miss Lindsay Harvey, if it's nothing further, ma'am, I wish you the best of luck. Get yourself some sleep before the kids get here, and have a very good rest of your day. Call Mr. Phillips before you go to sleep so you can set those hours up, all right?
Okay, so I could text him my number through the app really quick.
He's got your number. I'm going to give you his.
Okay, let me write it down.
Oh,
I'm not sure he has that number
he doesn't
because
have the
that's
number.
not, she didn't make a decision when we were in the breakout room, so she would have to put that in the chat.
Yeah, put your chat, ma'am.
Okay.
All right. Well, that'll be concluded, and you'll be able to leave once we get that number. Who's on the telephone? Good morning at 313-629-4062.
Yes, good morning. Jesus Lopez.
Jesus Lopez, why are you so late, sir?
I couldn't charge my phone. Yeah, I've been having some issues with my phone lately.
Do you need an interpreter?
No, I don't need one.
This is the city of Detroit. Versus Jesus Lopez, case number SP159-33322. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, Ferry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lopez Alba.
Jesus Alberto Lopez Alba.
For purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Alba is here because he never paid the $240. Mr. Alba.
Yes, I'm listening.
You never paid the $240 from that.
I haven't
case.
paid it, so I just want to ask you for another extension so I can go pay it.
How long do you need?
Can I get 4 weeks to pay it off?
4 weeks?
Is it?
You want to do 12 hours of community service?
I don't want to do that, really.
Well, you're not paying.
Right, I'm not paying. Possible 3 weeks to pay it then.
Come back on. I'll give you 2 weeks, 2 more weeks.
Okay, fine. I appreciate it, Your Honor.
Come back on the 20 on April the 9th.
April 9th. Okay then.
That's it. All right. Best of luck to you.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. Have a nice one.
Okay, that will